You can offer automatic discount to your customer. Your customer don't need to add any discount or coupon code. An automatic discount will be added at cart and checkout. To add a new one, go to discounts and create discount. Select automatic discount. There are a few options: discount title, types, value, applies to, minimum requirements, and active dates. At first, add a discount title. Suppose you want to give a discount for summer sale. Add a title Summer Sale. In the discount type section, you may choose percentage, fixed amount, buy X and get Y. Suppose you want to give 20% discount for orders. Then select percentage and add the value in the percentage. If you want to add a fixed amount discount like $10 for all order, then select fixed amount and add the value. I will describe buy X and get Y at the end of the video. In Apply to section, you can select the order type. For entire order or specific collection or specific products. If you choose a specific collection, then select the collection. If you choose specific products, then browse products and select and add. For the fixed amount, check the option if you want to apply discount once per order. In the minimum requirement section, you can choose minimum purchase amount or quantity. In the active date section, you can set an end date. If you want to run this continuously, no need to set end date. Now, I want to show you how to set buy X and get Y type. It means you want to give a discount for those customers who purchased X item. Suppose one of your customer purchased mobile phone, you want to give a discount for microphone or give a free microphone. Add quantity 1 from product, select product, specific product and browse product. Select phone. In the customer get section, select product. If you want to give a free microphone, select free. If you want to give 50% discount, then select percentage and add value. Also, you can set maximum number of uses per order. Note a few things. You can have only one active automatic discount at a given time. Customers cannot apply multiple discounts to a single order. Automatic discount take precedence or priority over discount codes. It means discount codes will not work if automatic discount applied to a checkout. We have another video for discount codes. Please check that as well. Thank you.